Hi, I am Audrey Carney. I am the Math Instructional Specialist. I love math. It is my passion. It always has been my passion. And I am very passionate about teaching kids to love math. And especially kids who feel like math maybe is not their passion. I want to share with them the love of math so that maybe they can have that same passion as well. If I wasn't a teacher, I think I would probably be a sports broadcaster or maybe an accountant, which doesn't sound very fun, but probably a sports broadcaster. So this year in math, we really want to make sure we fill in a lot of those gaps that students may have from last year and the year before, especially if they were at home learning or even with being here. We know just the last year has been crazy and troublesome, and we really want to make sure that we focus on our essential standards and readiness TEKS so that we can get the students caught up and exactly where they need to be. I think the most important thing that students need to know if they're in my intervention class is that they come prepared and ready to learn. And when I say prepared, I mean, of course, typically prepared with a pencil and paper, things like that. Their iPad charged, of course, is very important. But I also mean, emotionally prepared, because math is not always easy. It's not going to be always easy. And I don't want it to always be easy, because good mathematicians do not get the answer right the first time, all the time. A lot of times, good mathematicians are the ones who get the answer wrong, but are able to say, this answer doesn't make sense, so I'm gonna try it again and see if I can get the answer right this time. And so that takes a lot of perseverance, and it's hard when we're doing something that we might not get the answer right the first time. And so I really want my students to come to my class prepared to make mistakes and that be okay, and to persevere through that. I just think that that is super important in math and in life, and I hope to share that with your kids. I promise you that I will do everything in my power to help your students love math, and I promise I'll do everything in my ability to help your students get caught up in anything that they might need in regards to math. And also, I just want your students to feel loved and safe, okay? Because I know this is a very stressful year, and everybody has different levels of anxiety or stress about all kinds of current events and things that are going on. And so I really want your students to feel safe and also successful. The best way for you to reach me would be either by email or phone. You can call the school and ask for me, or you can reach me by email, audrey.carney@midwayisd.org. Both are great ways to get a hold of me. My conference period is at 1:50. Okay, so that would be a really great time for me to be able to talk to you. Anyways, I really am looking forward to this year. I love that we are able to be in person, and I hope that you will really enjoy getting to send your kids to school, and I hope that we will just have a super successful and great year, and I'm so thankful that you share them with me. So I'm looking forward to a great 2021-2022.